welcome back to my channel.
Hey y'all.
We are back with another mukbang. As you can see, we got it from Wingstop.
Wingstop tonight, y'all.
We have some regular hot wings. We have lemon pepper. And we have...
lemon pepper, and these are the teriyaki, spicy Korean, I think.
We have some corn. And we have french fries.
We do.
So, let's get into it.
And we got some blue cheese.
Oh, blue cheese too. And
Blue
we have
cheese.
our drinks.
So she decided she wanted fries and I wanted corn. So
Let's get into it.
let's do that. What's going on with y'all tonight? Well, by the time y'all see this, it's going to be in the morning when I upload it. I'm going to try my hand at some editing tonight and see what I can do. It's a process. So, we're gonna work it out, ain't it? I don't know about y'all, but I did my corn in the blue cheese. Oh, and they blue cheese? That's what I'm gonna try. I mean, that's what I do. They ranch is alright, but
I'll try it.
Try it. But I'm a blue cheese person anyway, so the blue cheese is for me. She said she didn't want no ranch or blue cheese, so I got 2 blue cheese. She got some over there, so we'll see.
Can I get a corn?
Yeah, of course my child can have a corn. So, I don't know what we're gonna do with this. There, I'll do that. Corn kind of spicy.
I got some Dr. Pepper.
Me too. That's my favorite, Dr. Pepper. And I really only like it from the fountain. I mean, don't get it twisted. I'm gonna drink it no matter what, but the fountain's the best to me, in my opinion. What's your favorite soda?
Dr. Pepper.
She get it from her mama. So, what are we talking about today?
Christmas.
Christmas. Can we get to Thanksgiving?
Okay.
Well, I mean, Christmas is cool too. What's on your Christmas list?
Nothing yet. But I'm gonna make it today.
Oh. Okay. What's the top 3 things you think you're gonna put on there?
A clear phone case.
A clear phone case?
A basketball.
A basketball? This is the first I've heard of the basketball. Okay.
And a gift card.
A gift card? For where?
Canes.
To Cane's? Okay.
Or all of them.
Okay. Ain't nothing wrong with it. At all. Spicy? A little bit. So y'all, she picked the hot wings. Them is hers. And I was like, you sure you want hot? She said, yeah. So, hot it was. But I don't know how she gonna rock with the hot. We gonna see. I'm gonna end up giving her some of my watch. I tried to get her to get barbecue. She wanted hot. And of course, lemon pepper. Of course. That's a must. Especially from Wingstop. There's more fries in there, but I didn't put them on the plate.
Can I get them?
Yeah, you can get them.
For a second.
I don't really know where they're at in those packages. So, y'all like Wingstop?
We have an extra corn.
Extra.
Some more of these fries, so.
Hook it up. Now, let me tell y'all. In the beginning, before we even started the video, she gonna talk about, can you not eat none of my fries, please?
I'm just.
And I said, can you not eat none of my corn, please? And as soon as the video start rolling,
Can I
I'm gonna have a
some here?
corn. What do?
Give me some corn.
I was thinking about doing the clean the corn challenge. However,
that didn't happen.
it still could happen, but
Good, but it didn't right now.
no, not today. I mean, I love corn. She loves corn. I just think I'm gonna get sick or something.
Yeah, no, that's not gonna happen.
You know, that corn like that. Y'all know how corn do in your system. But you see me over here cleaning the corn. That's done. So we might do that one. Maybe next week. Maybe next week. So, do y'all like, when y'all go to Wingstop or any wing place, do you get either all flats or all drums? I don't.
Yeah, both?
That was a big old piece. Which piece do you like better, the drum or the flat?
Flat.
Okay. Don't matter to me. But I know some people like all flats or all drums or whatever. My piece of blue cheese fell. What's wrong with you?
Hot.
I know. Don't come for me, but I cleaned the chicken too. I'm talking about cleans it. And I get them well done. Because I like mine crunchy. Excuse me. It's okay. Ooh, sorry. Trying to clean up my blue cheese mess over here. It was like a hunk of blue cheese too, but whatever. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, let me tell y'all a funny story. Well, not really funny, but let me tell you a story. So, I used to live in North Carolina. And when I lived in North Carolina, all of a sudden this new place, this wing place came up, and it was Wingstop, right? So it was like the new hot-ish. So I was like, okay, let me go over there, see what they're talking about. So I went to Wingstop, and it was fire, of course. And so like that was my thing. I would always go to Wingstop either, I don't know, every Friday, every Saturday, whatever it was. So, and I would always get the same exact thing. It was like 10 hot, 5 lemon pepper, 5 hot, regular hot. This was years ago. So, apparently they had caller ID. So at some point, when I would call up there, they'd be like, hey, Nisa, you want the usual? Yeah, give me the usual. So they were like, all right, 10 well done, half hot, half lemon pepper. Yep. And then, you know, see you in 10 or see you in 12 or whatever it was. Y'all, I was like at Wingstop. I'm talking about, they already knew from the caller I did what I wanted. I'm just saying. I mean, that's a true story. I stayed at Wingstop at least once a week. At least. That's just what it was. You good over there?
Mm-hmm.
Smashing. Oh, well, you just eating it up. You ate all the fries, girl? Okay.
I like the fries.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like them. I love them.
She love them. Okay. I'm low-key embarrassed to show y'all my chicken wing when I'm done. Because I ain't playing. Oh, I don't play. I'm not playing.
This is one of them. And here's a drumstick.
They should have a clean the chicken bone challenge. Because I'm winning that. I'm winning that. This ain't gonna be no long video because we over here smashing. Well, when you gonna try them hot ones?
After this one.
Okay. Yeah. Lemon pepper. It's gonna be interesting to see what she do with them hot ones.
Very interesting.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm over here cleaning the corn. Look, y'all. I'm talking about cleaned the corn. I mean cleaned.
3.
Yeah. Cleaned it. Don't you hate when y'all still got food and not enough soda? Or drink or water or whatever it is y'all drinking on? I do. And see, I usually get a extra thing of blue cheese, but my child said she didn't want none, so I got 2 blue cheeses. Hers over here. What's the matter?
You're my enemy, blue cheese.
What?
Blue cheese is my enemy.
I'm sorry.
Let's have war.
You gonna have war with the blue cheese?
Yep. War.
And who gonna win?
Of course, me. Because I'm a human.
Okay, girl. What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Okay. Let me tell y'all how if I went on a date, it would never be to a wing spot. Ever. Because the way I be eating this chicken. I thought you were going to try the hot one.
I'm going to try flat first.
Okay.
Flat, drumstick, flat, drumstick, flat. Flat, drumstick, flat, drumstick.
Well, try some so the people can see. Try it now.
Okay. My nose is almost about to run. Let's see which one.
Wait till she get a hold of that hot.
I'm usually good at eating hot stuff. Let me just take a drink before I do this.
That's true. She do be eating hot stuff.
I need more. Okay.
See what I mean?
Ready?
Go for it.
My eyes are getting watery. Ready?
She likes hot Cheetos,
2,
hot sauce,
1.
chamoy. Y'all, this don't make no sense. I mean, well, it do, but I'm getting full. Sorry. Not too hot. Y'all know how y'all be moving the straw around on the bottom to try to get all the soda? I don't drink soda often, but when I do, I want it all. It's gone, y'all. It's gone. Put it down, Lisa. Put it down. Put it down. Well, you doing all right? She says she's doing all right. She's doing all right. I'm gonna let her go ahead with that because I'm full. I'm done. I ordered 2 8-packs.
I'm gonna get this.
I ordered 2 8-packs and 2 sides and 2 sodas. And I can't even eat the whole 8-pack. I should have got a 6-pack. But I know for next time. Uh-oh. Let me clean my mess. Anything you want to say before we close it up out? That hot was too hot for her. She tried to be a G.
Because of this.
Lemon pepper's not hot, honey.
It's the mix.
Oh, okay. Probably.
I want to do 2 shout outs.
2 shout outs.
Shout out to my friend Zach
Hey, Zach.
at school.
Mm-hmm.
And shout out to my bestie Emily.
Hey, Emily.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so don't forget to hit that like button. What else I need to do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
And hit that notification bell so you can get notified every single video we post.
Do that. And then we finna get up out of here. Can we shake on it?
Yeah.
We out, y'all. Peace.